Alrighty, excuse me. Here are my sound effects that I've added to my project. I didn't add a whole lot of like smaller sound effects. I just did like a lot of bigger sound effects that I think should have been added. I will go back in and add like the smaller sound effects, but for right now this is what I have. So when he takes a bite of the watermelon, I added some watermelon sounds. I think I matched those up pretty nicely. Then I did, what was this one? I forgot what this one was. I did the alarm clock. So I mentioned before in this particular video, like the sound effects are pretty muted, and in the original clip, the sound effect of the alarm clock wasn't very good. So I went in and I kind of added my own sound effect to it, and I made sure it wasn't like super loud, and I kind of blended it a little bit. It might need some like, because it kind of cuts off pretty hard here. So I think I might like fade it out or something once I figure out how to do that properly. But I think that fits nicely. And then all the way over here, I added some simple like scissor sounds. Yeah, so she was like snipping the scissors. They're kind of not really matched up that well. I think I missed this one by accident. Yeah, some simple scissor sounds, and then I'm also gonna add like a chainsaw sound when she brings it up, because there's a chainsaw sound, but again, it's not like the most dramatic thing, and I think it should be more dramatic than it is. Um, yeah, that's all I have for right now. I'm definitely gonna add more like footsteps and like little sound effects, but for right now, I just added the main ones that I thought were important. And yeah, thank you.